Hey guys, welcome back to Hands Kitchen Corners. Today we'll be making vegan turnovers. So let's get right into it. First up is 2 cups blueberries, 2 tablespoons date sugar, 1 tablespoon tapioca flour, and stir this well in a medium heated pan. Then let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, mixing continuously. Okay, for the dough we're going to put in 2 cups flour, 1 cup water, 3/4 teaspoon salt, and we're going to mix this. Then go ahead and knead the dough for 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, so by now the filling should be ready. This is the texture that you want. Now form the dough into 5 by 5 squares or desired shape. Then add your filling and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. This should make 1 dozen. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day.